Hi there, welcome to Akhostiq PC World. Yes, quickly I'll be showing you another ways of boosting or speeding up your machine or Windows PC. So to quickly get started, click on the search button here, the taskbar, then search settings and click on it. Your settings app pops up. Then here, click on privacy. In privacy, you'll see at the left pane over here, scroll down slowly, then pause, you'll see background apps. Click on background apps. You can see what is displayed here, and this is what is consuming your resources gradually, which you never know of also. So we will need to deactivate almost all of them, or look at the ones that you don't need and deactivate. But I don't actually need any of them. If I need them, I'll launch them by myself. So all I need to do, just with this button over here, I will click on it, then all of them get switched off. They will all be deactivated at the background. So go ahead and click this. As you can see, they are all turned off. They've all been turned off. So that is it. It also boosts your machine when done. Now the next one is to go to properties of your Windows PC. So on this PC, right click on it and click on properties. The system property pops up. Now on the left pane here, click on advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. Well, as you can see, these two. Now we have performance, user profile, startup and recovery, and where we need to go is performance. Let's go to performance. Now here you can adjust for best appearance. This consumes your system resources and goes ahead to reduce the speed of your machine. So you can adjust for best performance, or you select let Windows choose what's best for my computer, or custom. Then you go ahead to turn off all these things if you want, or you use adjust for best performance, then go to advanced. Now here is the thing. Now you can see that our page file or virtual memory is 2.8 gigabyte, and this we will need to increase it so that certain things that is being used by the computer frequently be moved to that place, so that the processor can have access to them quickly and more quickly. So click on change to change. Now here we are going to remove this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. So and check it. Then this is our C drive. Say system manage. We don't want that. We want to manage this ourselves. So go to custom. Click on custom. Now here, check on the settings again. You will see 8 gigabyte. Is that not it? 8 gigabyte installed RAM. Now what you will need to do is to multiply 8 times 1.5. 8 times 1.5 will give you this thing you need to input. So let's try that. 8 times 1.5 give you 12 gig. So we need to enter 12. Then so you can also set that on this one to have access. Here we can give 2002 gig. And said this is my external drive, and I will also need some paging to be done over there. So alright, so this, when you are done, you will have to restart your machine for that effect to be done. Alright, so that is it for today. Your PC has been boosted, so you restart your machine for the effect to take place. So quickly restart the effect to take place. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this so that you get notified. Stay blessed, friend.